Hi, I'm Mark Eaton. I'm here at Busy Bee Tools today to talk about the Craftex CX08 jointer. Now this is a parallelogram joiner, which means that the tabletops are going to move parallel when you adjust them. We're going to go through all the features of this 3 horsepower joiner. Now remember, it's 220 volt, tons of power, 4 knives, so you're going to get the ultimate finish when you're done. Let me show you how this works. The CX08 has an extra long 8-inch wide 76 3/8 tabletop, leaving almost nothing that can't be jointed with this tool. One of the nicest things about the tool is the knives come factory set, but because you're the one that's buying the wood, you always want to double check. You can see I've got a straight edge right across there. On the tables, the knives and the tables are all parallel all the way across. So now when I adjust this, I can see nothing's going to change, and that's exactly the amount that I'm going to take off. The Cutterhead guard's a spring-loaded guard. So with that, when it opens up, it closes itself down. So you don't have to worry about having those knives exposed when you're pushing through a wide board. Both tables are fully adjustable. Actually, the in-feed table you can adjust all the way down to a 1/2 inch. So if you want to use this to rabbet a board, set it up for your depth and go. Typically you want to set it up to about 1/8 of an inch, then that way you're only taking off a little bit when you're doing your jointing. Just remember, all of these handles are on your side of the tool, so that way you don't have to walk around the back when you want to make these adjustments. Just lean down, grab that handle, loosen off this lock right here, and then that way you can adjust it to whatever depth you like. The jointer creates a lot of dust, so with the built-in 4-inch dust collector port, all that dust is going to go down the chute right into your dust collector. When you get into the tools of this size, it's nice to know that it's got an integrated mobile base. So on the end of the tool, you've got a foot pedal. Press down on that foot pedal, that raises the entire tool up, and now you can move that anywhere you like. The fence is fully adjustable, so by releasing the handle at the back here, you can adjust your fence, setting it to full 45-degree angle on a positive stop, or any angle you want in between. And then when you want to get it back to 90, there's a little pin back here. Set the pin, slide it back up, and it will lock in at 90 degrees, then relock the handle. With the 4 high-speed steel cutting knives in this head, you're going to get over 21,000 cuts per minute. That's going to make for a very clean finish. Safety is always a priority in your shop. When you're using your jointer, you have the ability here with an above-the-table switch to turn the tool on and off without ever having to reach below this jointer. Everything you could want in a quality joiner is built into this tool, right from the powder-coated paint all the way through to the precision ground cast iron tables and fence. Now the first cut you always want to do is the face joint. You see, you want to have a flat face, and then that flat face can go up against your fence, and then you joint your edges. So let's joint this face. Now when I get into narrower stock, this piece here is just a little bit over 3/4 of an inch. I've moved my fence in now so that I only have about maybe 1.5 inches exposed. That way, when the pork chop opens up, I don't have all 8 inches of knives exposed. So let's joint this piece now. Now with tables this size, it's very simple to get into large pieces too. I want to make this piece a perfect square, so I'm going to joint 2 edges, then I'm going to go to my table saw and rip them. So let's get this started. And there it is, the Craftex CX08 joiner. This joiner is just awesome. The 8 inches allow you to do so much more than you can with a lot of the smaller joiners. So if you've got the space in your shop, I highly recommend putting this joiner in because you are going to love what you can do with it. If you have any other questions, go to our website, www.busybeetools.com. Thanks for watching.